Checking time mga guys before matulog at kakatapos ko lang dyan mag half bath. So iche-check ko tong mga paperworks na dala-dala ko para matapos na at makaproceed sa next na gawain. By the way, this is Sir Jess and welcome to my YouTube channel. If bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos ko. Kaya't uumpisahan ko na ang pag-check ng mga paperworks na to. At saka buti na lang at nakaprint ako ng mga answer key for my guide. Mahirap kasi mag-check mga guys pag walang answer key. So dapat meron tayong susi sa pagwawasto para mapagaan yung ating work. Well, totoo naman mga guys kasi pag nagagawa ako ng mga tests or quizzes, nilalagyan ko talaga ng susi sa pagwawasto o tinatawag na answer key para madali lang i-check yung mga gawain. At syempre, advantage din kapag natapos mo early yung work mo, you can do some things pa, such as another paperworks or either household chores or whatsoever pa na importanteng gawain. Pero itong sa case ko mga guys, medyo marami-rami ito, so matatagalan ako. And para hindi ako mainip mga guys, ini-enjoy ko talaga yung pag-check ko ng mga paperworks na to para happy working tayo. But in fact, I am so tired there guys at saka I am sleepy. And I am putting in my mind that I have to finish this work because there are a lot of assessments this end of closing ba mga guys. And I didn't finish my work here. I just checked only few because I need to rest my body and my mind also. Kaya hindi ko siya natapos mga guys. At least meron tayong naumpisahan kesa sa wala naman, di ba? And every learning area you need to check carefully so that the score is correct and accurate. So I have there 8 answer keys at the same time and glancing while checking. So this is just only for sharing guys and also a vlog of what I am doing. So I hope that you are enjoying watching me while vlogging myself of what I am doing. And also guys, I would like to share that when I am checking there, I am entertained of my work and I feel joy and blissful of my job. And sobrang willy talaga ako guys habang gumagawa ako dyan. And I think parang gusto ko siyang tapusin pero it was too late na kasi anong oras na dyan. Kaya dapat ko din mag-rest because tomorrow is another day and there's a duty. So mas maganda kapag blooming and fresh tayo mga guys para hindi tayo maging matanda kaagad. Alright mga guys, so I think that's all about my sharing. Thank you guys for your support and keep on watching my videos. And also for my subscribers who keep on returning on my channel and for the others who are new in my channel that keeps watching on my videos. Again, thank you so much guys and see you on my next vlogs and educational videos. Bye bye guys!